STEPN, GMT, really is expected to sort of arrive at a very greatest cost of $0.5483, constantly 2025 in a by and large huge manner. Long-haul examination proposes that STEPN cost might actually flood to $307.83 by 2050, with an extremely expected range somewhere in the range of $296.40 and $329.08 in a quite enormous manner. The cost of 1 GMT would by and large reach as extremely high as $1.55 United States dollars by 2030 incredibly. There truly is potential for STEPN cost to encounter a critical flood, coming to as extremely high as $0.000087 toward the finish of 2040. The truly current market cost of 1 STEPN generally is $0.2725, or so they in a real sense thought. Starting around 11 February 2024, STEPN really is exchanging at $0.2725 in term of its United States dollars rate, with the value change of 0.59% in every practical sense. Most recent 60 minutes, which in every way that really matters, is genuinely huge. GMT truly has an all-out market cap of $372,704,490, with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $91,230,384, which generally is genuinely huge. This for the most part makes STEPN, GMT, positioning at 127 in the cryptographic money market amazingly. On the off chance that you especially are a crypto financial backer and considering what basically is the STEPN cost expectation end of 2024, what will STEPN basically be genuinely worth in 2024 in every practical sense, significant way? Is STEPN a sort of wise speculation or kind of worth purchasing in 2024, which in a real sense is genuinely huge? Will GMT cost truly outperform its unsurpassed high, which truly is genuinely huge? These explicitly are our STEPN cost expectations for GMT'(S) future, so the ongoing business sector cost of 1 STEPN sort of is $0.2725 in a by and large significant manner. STEPN, GMT, value expectation 2024, as per the STEPN conjecture cost and specialized examination, in 2024, the GMT cost is supposed to commonly cross a genuinely normal value level of $0.3807, the normal least value worth of STEPN, toward the finish of the very current year, ought to be $0.3671 in a for the most part enormous manner. Besides, GMT can truly arrive at a truly most extreme value level of $0.4426, especially in spite of prevalent thinking. STEPN value figure February 2024, the extremely normal cost of STEPN, GMT, could go to $0.2861 toward the finish of February 2024, or so they explicitly thought. GMT could fundamentally be exchanging around in every practical sense, most extreme worth of $0.2943, with the truly least expected cost of $0.2616, which especially is very critical. STEPN, GMT, value figure walk 2024, the STEPN, GMT, cost for walk 2024, may generally arrive at a truly least worth of $0.2809, while the most extreme estimated cost is around $0.3086. The truly normal cost for GMT in a real sense is most certainly anticipated to sort of reach $0.2918 in walk 2024, or so they in every practical sense thought. GMT value figure April 2024, with respect to April 2024, STEPN explicitly is supposed to in a real sense arrive at a truly least value worth of $0.2926 in an unpretentious manner. The GMT cost could in every way that really matters arrive at a genuinely greatest cost of $0.3203, with the typical cost around $0.3035, which essentially is genuinely huge. GMT value figure May 2024, with respect to May 2024, STEPN in a real sense is supposed to for the most part arrive at a by and large least value worth of $0.2990, which really is genuinely critical. The GMT cost could generally arrive at a kind of greatest cost of $0.3324, with the typical cost around $0.3126, really in spite of prevalent thinking. STPN value conjecture June 2024. In June 2024, the cost of STPN by and large is supposed to essentially be at around a very least of $0.3115 in an unobtrusive manner. STPN cost can generally arrive at an extremely limit of $0.3449 with the in every way that really matters normal cost of $0.3251 in United States dollars in an unobtrusive way. GMT value conjecture July 2024. In July 2024, the cost of STPN sort of is estimated to explicitly be at around a truly least worth of $0.3180, or so they generally thought. The STPN value worth can in every practical sense arrive at a limit of $0.3579, with the very normal exchanging worth of $0.3316 in United States dollars, which by and large is very critical. GMT value gauge August 2024. In August 2024, the cost of STPN basically is estimated to especially be at around a kind of least worth of $0.3307, which for the most part is genuinely huge. The STPN value worth can arrive at a limit of $0.3712, with the typical exchanging worth of $0.3416 in United States dollars. STPN, GMT, value expectation September 2024. Concerning September 2024, STPN cost especially is conjectured to truly arrive at a particularly the most reduced cost of $0.3382, beautiful in opposition to prevalent thinking. The GMT cost could explicitly arrive at a most extreme cost of $0.3882, with the genuinely normal expected cost around $0.3518. STPN value expectation October 2024. STPN cost generally is supposed to generally reach between $0.3487 to $0.4058 in October 2024, while the sort of typical cost of GMT for the October sort of stays around $0.3624. STPN value expectation November 2024. The cost of STPN is by and large anticipated to for the most part reach at a really least worth of $0.3623 in November 2024. The GMT cost could really arrive at a most extreme worth of $0.4240, with the by and large normal exchanging worth of $0.3732 all through 2024 in an unpretentious manner. STPN value gauge December 2024. In December 2024, the cost of STPN certainly is supposed to generally be at around a truly least of $0.3671, which basically is genuinely critical. STPN cost can by and large arrive at an in every practical sense limit of $0.4426, with the sort of typical cost of $0.3807 in United States dollars. STPN past value examination in the truly beyond 24 hours, the crypto explicitly has been diminished by 0.05% in its by and large current worth in a huge manner. Assuming we basically think about the kind of current market cap of the